Hey guys, so welcome to my kitchen. I'm Julia. Inspired by the crunch wraps, I'm going to make some crunch wraps inspired nachos crunch wraps. They are delicious, easy to make, filled with salsa, sour cream, tortilla chips, cheese, chicken, lettuce and onion. So delicious, easy to make, so let's get started. I'm going to use some extra large tortillas. I'm using flour tortillas, and I am just going to add some shredded cheddar cheese in the middle, then on with a good portion of sour cream, some salsa, and I have cooked some chicken breast with some salt and pepper and some oil on a pan, cut in some cubes, and I'm just going to add a bit of chicken pieces on as well. Then on with some thinly sliced onion and some lettuce. Then for my crunchy element, on with some tortilla chips. Top it off with some more cheddar cheese. Be careful with the chips when you are closing it because they can easily ruin your tortillas, so just squeeze them a bit and push them a bit in when you are closing it. You make as many of these as you want to make. All I have to do is just add them onto a dry pan and just heat them up over low heat so they get nice and golden brown and they get the time they need to be fully warm inside and the cheese to melt. And when they are golden brown on both sides, it is done and ready to be served. I hope you guys enjoy this quick and easy crunch wrap nacho style. If you want to give it a go, ingredients are down below as always. Bye!